Hey, it's Abhi here. Welcome to the video. So one of my previous videos has this comment about, finding affiliate vendors, what affiliate vendors they should take a note of and what offers they should promote. So I am providing this list to you where, I have noted down my favorite vendors that I promote who produces actually high quality offers, and also the offers that I recommend for you to promote as a beginner or even as an advanced marketer, if you want to actually have good offers, right? I will provide this document in the description, so go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so these are few vendors that I promote, and they are someone who consistently produces high quality training or softwares, whatever they are launching, right? So first of all, let's take a look at JK Dowdle. So if I go ahead and take a look at the profile of his, so you will see that he made 23,000 plus sales of overall all his products, and he has a rating of 4.38 based on 290 people, 290 ratings, right? Pretty good, right? Let's just take a look at Kevin Fahey as well, right? He also produces comes up with products regularly as well, but they are all high quality. I rarely see vendors who launches regularly and maintain the quality. So he is one of them as well. So you can see 46,000 sales, and out of 569 reviews, he has maintained the rating of 4.13. That basically means his products are doing very, very well, and people are liking it. They are getting results. They are getting what they want. Okay, so this is Fresh, his latest product, one of his latest products. You can go ahead and check that out. I actually listed one of them here as well. As you can see, Fresh. I will talk about that in a bit. Okay, so these are products. It's important to not go and take a look at the amount of sales an offer is generating. So if I go here and let's just click on affiliate and click on offers here, right, I will see a lot of offers right here. This one has like 2,000 sales. This one has like 1,000 plus sales. This one has 500 plus sales, right? But this one has a low refund rate as well, 1%. But that doesn't mean this product is high quality. Sometimes what happens is these Warrior Plus vendors do not provide refund. Okay, even though they claim that this has a 10-day refund guarantee or 30-day refund guarantee, they make it hard for people to actually get their money back, right? So let's just take a look at this one cloner AI, or maybe just take a look at let's just go to affiliate marketplace and top products. Okay, let's just take a look at top selling products, and you will see a lot of offers right here, right? AI money printer, human AI force, one cloner AI was here as well. Yeah, so let's just take a look at it, right? Let me open that up, and it will open the request page where you will be able to request for approval. And you request, you write how are you going to promote it, you request, and they approve you. Okay, so this has like 1,000 sales, 14% conversion, just 2% refund rate. But what we need to do is we need to click on this link here, right under the vendor profile, this link here, to check their stats. So we click on it and it opens up their profile, and quickly after 1,400 ratings, he's not even maintaining 2-star rating, just 1.86. So you can see throughout the product launches that he did, there was not even a 3-star regularly, just 2 stars. So right away I can tell that the launches that he comes up with are not really good for the customers, right? I want to maintain a goodwill. I want to promote a high quality product that actually helps people, right? Helps others. And that's why I will never promote products like this. Okay, so let's just go back to our page. So you get the point, right? Always make the habit of checking the profile of a vendor to see their ratings and past products. Okay, Benjamin Fletcher is one of them as well. Dimitris has had an average kind of products before, but last few launches he actually brought up really good products, right, that actually worked as it claimed. So yeah, I have included him in because I think he improved a lot. And then there is Tim Eccles. So he doesn't launch that often, but his products are really good. I actually promoted his offer called Lazy Commissions. And I have a case study where I actually went from $0 to $100 per day using this offer called lazy commission system. And I will talk about that in a bit too. So if you want to check that case study, the link will be in the description as well. It is a paid case study, by the way. I do everything from scratch. So yeah, just for you to know. Okay, so now we go and take a look at some of the high quality offers that you can promote. So we are going to, actually I have purchased almost all the products, by the way. I haven't purchased fresh, right? And yeah, I have reviewed arm system. I haven't purchased this one, but I have purchased this and these as well. Okay, so I know the products are good and I have learned a lot from it too. Okay, so if you click on this one, so RIMS5, this is a product by J.K. Dowdle here, and this product teaches you launch jacking. So what is launch jacking? Basically, you are going to review a product that are yet to be launched, that is yet to be launched on the marketplace. Okay, so you create a review video, upload it onto YouTube, have some bonuses there, and when the product launches, people will go to YouTube, people will go to Google and find your video or article. And if they like your review, if they like what they see, and if they like your bonuses, you will make a sale that way. All right, so pretty great marketing strategy for a beginner if you have no experience at all. And if I click on it, the sales page, you can take a look at the sales page here. So this is the sales page of that, and you will see all these results. Actually, I have my testimonial right here too. There you go. And you will go and, if you want, you can take a look at it. So that's the sales page, the bonuses that he's offering and stuff. Okay, so if you want to promote this offer, you can click on this offer request page and click on the link, and it will take you directly to the offer request page where you can apply for your affiliate link. All right, as you can see, I already have my link here. Here you will see a request approval box. You click on it, there will be a pop-up, and you type down how are you going to promote it, and JK will decide, JK will approve or decline your message, right? But he generally has, if you actually purchase the offer, you will get access to the affiliate link regardless, right? He has a setting on. Actually, a lot of vendors have this setting on where if you're a customer, you get automatically approved when you request for the affiliate link. Okay, anyway, RIMS8 is also his J.K. Dowdle's offer, and this is conversion focused. Okay, so this is not teaching you how to do affiliate marketing, but this is teaching you how to get most sales out of the clicks, how to get the most results out of the clicks you are already getting. All right, so again, there's sales page and there is the offer request page, and affiliate takeover system is by Kevin Fahey. Well, this is a complete affiliate system. The sales page is here, offer request page is here, and I highly recommend, if you're a beginner and if you actually want to learn complete affiliate marketing system, then this is a product that I can highly recommend. You can go ahead, click on this, and you can buy it. Okay, this is a sales page, by the way. And the fourth one is the ARM system. Well, what is this? This is also one of Kevin Fahey's product, and this offer provides you 5 done for you funnels plus a backend system. What do I mean by that? So basically, if you are a beginner, you will get 5 done for you funnels of Kevin Fahey's products, right? So he will give you the opt-in page. So all you need to do is promote that opt-in page. You will get 5 opt-in page, by the way. So promote one opt-in page. Choose one. Promote one opt-in page. People will come in. People will enter. It will not go to your email autoresponder, but the lead will go to his autoresponder, and he will do the follow-ups for you. And if someone makes a purchase, you will make money, right? Not him. That's basically the gist of it. That's what a backend system means. So by the way, you can also create opt-in page, get in, and promote the software as well, the normal affiliate marketing system. Okay, so that's basically it. So let's say you don't have any knowledge of funnel building, you don't know how to do emails right and make money. You can buy the ARM system and then use one of the 5 done for your funnels and just go with it and just start driving traffic. All right, I'm not telling you to buy this product. I am actually describing this product. Okay, if you want to buy, you can actually go ahead and buy. You will get the system, but this is a good offer to promote. All right, if you want to buy something, I will recommend RIMS5 and affiliate takeover, RIMS8 as well. But if you're a complete beginner, you don't really need this as of now. But yeah, okay. Then there is Fresh automated traffic engine, has sales page, offer request page. Again, go ahead and take a look at it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Then there is automated commission system. This is by Benjamin Fletcher. You can go ahead and check it out. I have promoted this as well, and it's a pretty good system for a beginner, right? And then there is lazy commission system. Now this one is a little different, right? This offer doesn't cost anything. So if I go to sales page, you will see that one doesn't have to pay anything to get access to this. Then there are upsells. So for example, if I open the offer request page, you will be able to see the upsells, right? So if you see here on products tab, okay, you will see this one is for free. So $0 price point. Then there will be an upsell with $7. Then there will more upsells, right? Permanent access, secret affiliate insider yearly, special license rights, things like that. And if someone purchases this, you will make commission, and the initial offer is $0. So I already have a complete case study on this. If you want, you can go ahead and check that out in the description. Now you already have the vendors list. You already have some of the affiliate offers that I recommend promoting. So you got the offer list now. Now what? So what you want to do is make one of the offer a core offer. Now what do I mean by that? Well, a core offer is the very first offer when people find you or your funnel, right? Build a funnel or system for any offer that you want. And for example, let's say you choose this offer called affiliate takeover as your core offer. So you create a funnel, you create an opt-in page, and people come in and put in their email address. They are taken to the sales page of the affiliate takeover. All right. And in the backend emails, you will send emails, on continuous day by day, 7-day, 10-day, or 14-day, promoting this exact offer with different angles. All right. And once that follow-up finish, you can start promoting these rest of the offers. And that's how you stack a lot of automated email follow-ups with high quality offers that will work for you and generate commissions day in and day out. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to do. And second thing is visit MunchEye.com. So if I open MunchEye.com, let it open. So when you visit MunchEye.com, it is a place, it is a calendar where you will see new launches, new upcoming launches. Okay, so what you can do is you can find new launches coming from these vendors right here. Okay, and when you see one of these vendors are launching a product, you can go to their JV page and see what the product is about and implement the launch jacking strategy that I talked about and make some good commissions. Right? Let's see if we can find one. So a lot of offers are Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. Let's just take a look. Jason, Amanda, Tim Mikkel. So this one 17th March. Today is 14th. So you will find his launch on 17th of March. Tim Mikkel's the automatic lead machine. And if we go down below, let's just see, right, if there is Kevin Fahe, results with Kevin AI. So he's launching a product on a different website called Digistore. Cool. So you can go to Digistore and register for them and register your account and actually go ahead and access the affiliate link. All right. So you will see, or you can simply click on Control F or Command F, depending on what you're using. And let's say I want to promote Benjamin Fletcher. Let's say Benjamin 0 out of 0. So there is no one. Let's just say JK. There is no one. Let's just say Kevin. Yeah, Kevin Fahe, we already know about that. All right. Let's just say D Papa. All right. D Papa, Cryptogram Profits. So he's launching a product called Cryptogram Profits. It is today. So I don't have time to create a whole campaign. I actually have to look at the product itself first before I decide I want to promote it or not. But I'm not going to do that anyway right now. So yeah, you understand what I'm talking about, right? By the way, full transparency, all the sales page links above, these sales page links above are affiliate links, right? Sales page. So if you purchase something from here, I do get paid commissions. That's fully transparent. And if you purchase this, you will get some bonuses from me. And if you do purchase something from here, then send me an email at abhi@profitnotch.com. Here, send me an email at abhi@profitnotch.com, and I will send some really cool bonuses and also my products that I'm selling right now. The case study I mentioned that I'm selling right now, I will give that to you as well, my PDF document as well, and some extra strategies that I do as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped you in some way, and I will share this document link in the description. And that's it. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.